Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12 of chemistry, pollution of air and water. We have discussed the primary air pollutants, secondary air pollutants, and causes of air pollution. We have discussed natural causes of air pollution and man-made causes of air pollution. What are the man-made causes of air pollutions? Industries, vehicular emissions, mining operations and domestic activities, etc. And natural causes of air pollution are volcanic eruptions, dust storms, windstorms, etc. Today we are going to discuss effect of air pollution. Air pollution is harmful to human beings in many ways. Each and every pollutant which causes the air pollution is also harmful for the human beings, and they will have each and every pollutant will have adverse effect on the human beings. uh, so we have to discuss the each and every pollutant and their adverse effect on the human beings and environment. First one pollutant is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide causes respiratory problem in human beings like asthma, bronchitis, and asthma, bronchitis, etc. This sulfur dioxide react with the atmospheric gases and form sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid, which causes acid rain and have adverse effect on the agriculture, monuments, building, etc. Okay, sulfur dioxide causes the respiratory problem in humans like asthma and bronchitis, and this is also known as primary air pollutant. Primary air pollutant reacts with the different gases in the atmosphere form the secondary air pollutant. Secondary air pollutant means sulfur dioxide and sulfuric acid, which causes acid rain and many adverse effects on the agriculture, monuments, and buildings, etc. Which is the second air pollutant, nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide also causes the chronic respiratory problem. Chronic respiratory problem mean long-term respiratory problem like asthma, etc. It leads to the formation of nitric acid. It is also responsible for the nitrogen dioxide is also known as primary pollutant, and it reacts with the atmospheric gases to form secondary pollutant, which is the secondary pollutant nitric acid. Nitric acid is also responsible for the acid rain and corrosion of monuments and increasing the acidity of soil, which is, mean it decreases the fertility of soil. Nitric acid also decreases the fertility of soil. Third one is pollutant. Third one air pollutant is oxides of carbon. Third one air pollutant is oxides of carbon. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide are known as air pollutants. Carbon monoxide decrease the oxygen carrying ability of blood, which leads to the death. Inhaling of large amount of carbon monoxide by the human body decreases the oxygen carrying ability of human beings or oxygen carrying ability of blood, which leads to the death in the human beings. On the other side, carbon dioxide trap the solar heat. It traps the solar ultraviolet rays, which causes the average increase in global temperature leads to the global warming. Due to global warming, glacier day by day glaciers are melting. Due to global warming, every global temperature of Earth is increasing, as well as forest fire took place due to global warming. Glaciers are melting due to global warming. There is lot of dangerous signal taking place due to global warming. Fourth one, air pollutant is ozone. Ozone is also known as poisonous gas. Ozone is also known as poisonous gas, which causes uh, lung disease in the human body. The exposure of ozone with the human body causes lung disease, chronic lung disease. Fifth one, air pollutant is chlorofluorocarbon, which are also known as pherones. Fifth one air pollutant is chlorofluorocarbon, which is also known as pherones. It was these chlorofluorocarbons are released by the air conditioners, refrigerators, etc. They are responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. As we know, ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays of sun. Chlorofluorocarbons are also responsible for the depleting mean khatam hona, depleting of ozone layer. Depleting we can say thinning of ozone layer क्या हो रही thinning हो रही है, and that due to which uh, ultraviolet rays of sun ultraviolet radiations of sun are reaching to us. जो ultraviolet rays होती है sun की, वो कहाँ पर आ रही है, reaching to us. These ultraviolet rays of sun causes skin cancer as well as many other skin problems. This ultraviolet of sun rays also causes skin problems, skin cancers as well as many other skin problems. Smokes. Seventh one is the air pollutant is the smoke. Smoke combined with the fog during winter, it reduces the uh, smoke combined with the fog in the winters, it causes the forms the smoke. How smoke is formed? When smoke combines with the fog during winters, it forms the smoke. Also causes many respiratory diseases like asthma, wheezing cough, irritation in eyes and nose, etc. This also causes the accidents in the we can say in the winters, because it decreases the visibility in the winters and causes the many road accidents. Smog. This means smog is also for the harmful for many human beings. Suspended particulate matter mean SPM. As you know, SPM is known as suspended particulate matter. Also causes the respiratory diseases and like bronchitis and asthma. Up to we have discussed all the air pollutants and their harmful effects.